Reuters, Wall Street. A euro trademark S main indexes fell in choppy trading on Tuesday as U.S. bond yields rose after new Fed Chairman Jerome Powell said the economy was strengthening and that inflation would rise. Following his comments, traders of U.S. short-term interest rate futures began pricing in a higher chance of a fourth rate hike this year, based on a Reuters analysis. The benchmark U.S. 10-year Treasury yields US 10-YT equals RR rose to a session high of 2.914%. Euro pretty much the market is going to be fluttering back and forth in both directions based on things he says today, so it doesn't a euro trademark T surprise me too much. Euro said Randy Frederick, Vice President of Trading and Derivatives for Charles Schwab in Austin, Texas. Euro at a euro trademark S his first speech and the market is already in a higher volatility phase. Euro. In his prepared remarks, Powell had hinted that the central bank would stick to its current path of gradual rate hikes despite the added stimulus of tax cuts and government spending. Powell. A euro trademark S testimony comes at a sensitive time for the market, which has swayed wildly in recent weeks on inflation fears. Stocks have recovered much of their losses from the early February sell-off, when they shed more than 10%. At 11:21 a.m. ET, the Dow Jones Industrial Average (DJI) was down 20.34 points, or 0.08%, at 25,688.93. The S&P 500 (SPX) was down 7.08 points, or 0.254713%. At 2,772.52, and the Nasdaq Composite (IXIC) was down 28.97 points, or 0.39%, at 7,392.50. U.S. cable giant Comcast, CMCSAO, offered to buy Sky, SKYBL, for $31 billion in an unsolicited approach, taking on Rupert Murdoch's Fox and Bob Iger's Walt Disney in the battle for Europe's biggest pay TV group. Comcast fell 5.2%, while Walt Disney, DISN, dropped 3.1%, and 21st Century Fox, FOXAO, 1.9%, dragging down the S&P Consumer Discretionary Index. SPLRCD. In a big week for retail earnings, Messiah euro trademark S, MN, reported higher than expected same-store sales growth for the fourth quarter. Its shares jumped 11%. Fitbit, FITN, slumped more than 10% after the wearable device maker forecast current quarter results below estimates. Luxury builder Toll Brothers euro trademark, TOLN, shares rose 1.2% after it reported quarterly profit that beat analysts' euro trademark estimates as it sold more homes at higher prices. Advancing issues outnumbered decliners on the NYSE by 1,595 to 990. On the Nasdaq, 1,434 issues rose and 965 fell.